Welcome to the first module of this course, Introduction to Data Science. I believe you will agree that we should understand the subject first. So, tell me what the best way to learn something is? Should we jump right into the theoretical concept in the beginning, or should we understand the subject first? Think about computer science and engineering. If someone doesn't understand a computer and its workings, how will he grasp its concepts? The same logic is an application to data science. Before studying the topics covered in this field, we must understand that it is first. And this is exactly what we are going to learn. So, what data science actually is? The first step of studying data science is to understand what is it. And this is exactly what we are going to learn in this lesson. Data science is the field of study that uses different scientific methods, algorithms, and processes to find patterns in huge amounts of data. It helps you find patterns that are hidden in the raw data. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that lets you learn from organized and unorganized data. With data science, you can turn a business problem into a research project and back into a real-world solution. It is a field that uses tools and methods to analyze and process the data so that you can find something new and important. Data science solves problems with data by using the powerful hardware, programming systems, and algorithms. In short, we can say data science is all about asking the correct questions and analyzing the raw data, modeling the data using various complex and efficient algorithms, visualizing the data to get a better perspective, understanding the data to make better decisions, and finding the final result. So, now we know the definition of data science. In the past, there wasn't as much data available, and the data that was there was mostly in a structured form that was easy to store in Excel sheets and process with BI tools. But in the world we live in now, data is getting so big that about 2.5 quintillion bytes of data are created every day. This is called a data explosion. That is why every business needs information to work, grow, and get better. Now, it's hard for every organization to deal with such a huge amount of data. So, to handle, process, and analyze this data, we needed complex, powerful, and efficient algorithms and technology. This technology, which we call data science, was created to meet these needs. With the help of data science technology, we can turn huge amounts of raw and unstructured data into useful insights. Whether they are a well-known brand or a new company, both are using data science technology. Google, Amazon, Netflix, and other companies that deal with a lot of data are using algorithms from data science to improve the customer experience. Data science is being used to automate transportation, like making a self-driving car, which is the way of the future for cars. Data science can help with many different kinds of predictions, such as polls, elections, confirming flight tickets, etc. Everyone has started talking about data science lately. But why? What is the reason behind this popularity of data science? Let's explore the top 7 factors that have made data science so important. First of all, in today's world, data is like oil. We can turn data into a clear business advantage with the right tools, technologies, and algorithms. Secondly, using advanced machine learning algorithms, data science can help you find fraud. The third reason for the importance of data science is that it helps you keep from losing money. The fourth reason is that it makes it possible to add intelligence to machines. The fifth reason behind the importance of data science is that you can find out how loyal your customers are to your brand, using sentiment analysis. The sixth reason is that it helps you make better decisions faster. And the seventh reason is that it helps you improve your business by getting you to recommend the right product to the right customer. Now you know why data science is so important. Many other reasons make data science an important field of study. However, it is not necessary to study all of them. Surveys show that, as the need for data science grows, the job of data scientist is becoming the most in-demand job of the 21st century. Some people also said it was the hottest job title of the 21st century. Data scientists are experts who know how to understand and analyze data by using different statistical tools and machine learning algorithms. The average salary for a data scientist will be between $95,000 and $165,000 per year. And different studies show that by 2026, about 11.5 million new jobs will be created. If you learn about data science, you'll be able to find many interesting job roles in this field. The main job roles in data science are data scientist, data analyst, machine learning expert, data engineer, data architect, data administrator, business analyst, and business intelligence manager. There are many other job roles available for data science experts. Let's learn more about the most critical roles: data scientist, data analyst, machine learning expert, and data engineer. A data analyst is a person who works with large amounts of data to find patterns, relationships, trends, etc., by mining the data, making models of it, and looking for these things. At the end of the day, he comes up with ways to display and report data to help people make decisions and solve problems. To become a data analyst, you need to be good at math, business intelligence, data mining, and have a basic understanding of statistics. You should also know how to use MATLAB, Python, SQL, Hive, Pig, Excel, SAS, R, JS, Spark, and other computer languages and tools. Experts in machine learning work with algorithms like regression, clustering, classification, decision tree, random forest, etc., that are used in data science. Programming languages like Python, C++, R, Java, and Hadoop are needed. You should also know about different algorithms, how to solve problems, how to analyze them, probability, and statistics. A data engineer works with huge amounts of data and is in charge of building and keeping up a project's data architecture. A data engineer also makes the processes that are used to model, mine, acquire, and verify datasets. Data engineers need to know a lot about SQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, Base, Apache Spark, Hive, and MapReduce. They also need to know Python, C++, Java, Perl, and other languages. A data scientist is a professional who uses a huge amount of data and a variety of tools, techniques, methods, algorithms, etc. to find interesting business insights. To become a data scientist, you need to know how to use technical languages like R, SAS, SQL, Python, Hive, Pig, Apache Spark, and MATLAB. Data scientists need to know about statistics, math, how to visualize data, and communication skills. Are you interested in data science? Studying data science requires some prerequisites. It requires both technical and non-technical prerequisites. Let's start with the non-technical prerequisite. Curiosity. To learn data science, you need to be interested. When you're interested and ask a lot of questions, it's easy to figure out what the business problem is. Critical thinking. It is also needed for a data scientist so that you can find multiple new ways to solve the problem quickly. Communication skills. Communication skills are the most important for a data scientist because once you've solved a business problem, you have to tell the rest of the team what you did. Now, let's have a look at the technical prerequisites of data science. Machine learning. For someone to understand data science, they need to know what machine learning is. Data science uses algorithms for machine learning to solve different problems. Mathematical modeling. For fast math calculations and predictions based on the available data, you need to use mathematical modeling. Statistics. You need to know the basics of statistics, like what the mean, median, and standard deviation are. It is needed to learn more from the data and get better results. Computer programming. At least one programming language must be known to do data science. Some of the programming languages needed for data science are R, Python, and Spark. Databases. To get data and work with it, data science needs a deep understanding of databases, such as SQL. Sometimes people mix business intelligence with data science. It is important for you to understand the difference between business intelligence and data science. Business intelligence deals with structured data. For an example, data warehouse. Data science deals with structured and unstructured data. For example, weblogs, feedback, etc. Business intelligence uses analytical methods. Data science uses scientific methods. Statistics and visualization are the two skills required for business intelligence. Statistics, visualization, and machine learning are the required skills for data science. Business intelligence focuses on both past and present data. Data science focuses on past data, present data, and also future predictions. We've learned what data science is and why it is important. Now, we are ready to delve into the details. We need to study the components of a subject to understand it properly. This is the best way to understand and learn any subject. We will apply it in this lesson as well. Let's see what the components of data science are. There are mainly 7 components of data science. They are: statistics, domain expertise, data engineering, visualization, advanced computing, mathematics, and machine learning. Let's learn a little more about these components. One of the most important parts of data science is statistics. Statistics is a way to collect and look at a large amount of numerical data and figure out what it all means. Expertise in a certain field is the glue that holds data science together. Expertise in a domain means having specialized knowledge or skills in a certain area. We need domain expertise in a lot of different parts of data science. Part of data science is data engineering, which is the process of getting, storing, retrieving, and changing data. Metadata, which is data about data, is also part of data engineering. Data visualization is the process of showing data in a visual way so that people can understand what it means. Visualizing huge amounts of data makes it easy to find what you need. Advanced computing is what does most of the work in data science. In advanced computing, the source code of computer programs is designed, written, tested, and kept up to date. The most important part of data science is mathematics. Math is the study of numbers, structure, space, and how things change. A good understanding of math is a must for a data scientist. Data science is based on machine learning. Machine learning is the process of teaching a computer how to think like a human brain. In data science, we use different algorithms for machine learning to solve problems. Let's have an idea about data science lifecycle now. A data science lifecycle shows the steps that are taken over and over again to build, deliver, and keep up a data science product. Since not every data science project is built the same way, their life cycles are also different. Still, we can imagine a general data science lifecycle with some of the most common steps. And these steps are: discovery, data preparation, model planning, model building, operationalize, and communicate results. We need to learn a little more about these steps to fully understand data science lifecycle. The first step is to find out what needs to be done. This means asking the right questions. Before you start a data science project, you need to figure out what the basic needs are, what your priorities are, and how much money you have. In this phase, we need to figure out all of the project's needs, like the number of people, the technology, the time, the data, and the end goal. After that, we can frame the business problem at the first hypothesis level. The process of preparing data is frequently referred to as data munging. During this stage, we are tasked with carrying out the following activities: data cleaning, data reduction, data integration, and data transformation. After performing all the above tasks, we can easily use this data for our further processes. In this step, we need to figure out the different ways to set up the relationship between the input variables. We'll use exploratory data analytics by using different statistical formulas and tools for visualizing data to figure out how variables relate to each other and what the data can tell us. The following are common tools used for model planning: SQL Analysis Services, R, SAS, and Python. In this stage, the process of building the model begins. We will make datasets to use for both training and testing. We will use different methods to build the model, such as association, classification, and clustering. Here are some tools that are often used to build models: SAS Enterprise Miner, Weka, SPCS Modeler, and MATLAB. During this phase, we'll give you the final reports, briefings, code, and technical documents for the project. Before the full deployment, this phase gives you a clear picture of how the whole project works and how other parts work. In this step, we'll see if we've reached the goal we set in the first step. We will let the business team know what we found and what the final result is. We've learned a lot about data science. Now, we know what is data science, why it is important, data science jobs, prerequisites to learn data science, and many more. It is time to understand the application of data science. Usually, data science is applied in the following field: image recognition and speech recognition, gaming world, internet search, transport, healthcare, recommendation systems, risk detection. Let's learn details about these applications. Image and speech recognition are currently done with the help of data science. When you post a picture to Facebook, you start getting suggestions to tag your friends. Image recognition algorithms, which are part of the field of data science, are used to make this automatic tagging suggestion. When you say OK Google, Siri, Cortana, etc., and the device responds based on what you said, this is made possible by a speech recognition algorithm. Machine learning algorithms are being used more and more in video games every day. Data science is widely used by companies like EA Sports, Sony, and Nintendo to improve the user experience. When we want to find something on the internet, we use search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask, and so on. All of these search engines use data science technology to make searching better, and you can get a search result in a fraction of a second. The transportation industry is also using data science to make cars that can drive themselves. With cars that drive themselves, it will be easy to cut down on car accidents. Data science is helping the healthcare industry in many ways. Data science is used to find tumors, find new drugs, analyze medical images, create virtual medical bots, and do other things. Most companies, like Amazon, Netflix, Google Play, etc., use data science technology to make personalized recommendations that improve the user experience. For example, when you look for something on Amazon and get suggestions for other products that are similar, this is because of data science technology. Fraud and the risk of losing money have always been a problem in finance. But this can be fixed with the help of data science. Most finance companies are looking for data scientists to help them avoid risk and losses while making customers happier. We've learned a lot about data science. That means, we learned about data science, not the concepts of data science. It is necessary to know about a subject before delving into it. Now you are ready to take the next step. Let's go to the next module, to start learning the amazing concepts and applications of data science.